This is really a 65 140 engine. So Bill would have used the bigger engine because it was the best engine Chevrolet Corvair offered at the time. It has the 4 single 1 barrels. We put a 270 cam in it, and then we dressed it up. Obviously a lot of chrome work. We've rotated the carburetors, did custom linkage. We have a mini output polished alternator, the billet HEI distributor. It's running the Corvair lower control arms, and it's the early model Corvair swing axle design with drum brakes in the back. It's also coupled up with a Power Glide 2-speed transmission, very similar to the full-size Power Glide, but not the same. And then here we have a open differential, and then this would be the torque converter in this area. We also did a specialized road draft tube underneath. This is a road draft. The reason we put that in there is to keep the top of the engine clean so that you didn't have any PCV up here polluting the top of the motor.